Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the question, is it still worth learning to code in 2024? Stay tuned as we explore various aspects of the coding landscape, from job market demand to practical tips for beginners. Coding has been one of the most in-demand skills over the past decade. But as we move into 2024, many are asking, is it still a good investment of time and effort? With rapid technological advancements and shifts in the job market, it's crucial to evaluate whether learning to code is still beneficial. Today, we'll discuss the current state of the tech industry, the impact of emerging technologies, and the various ways coding skills can be applied across different professions. First, let's talk about job market demand. According to recent studies, the demand for software developers, data scientists, and other tech roles continues to grow. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a 22% increase in software development jobs from 2020 to 2030, much faster than the average for all occupations. This growth is driven by the increasing reliance on digital technologies across various sectors. Companies are constantly seeking talented coders to develop and maintain software, websites, and mobile applications. And it's not just tech companies. Industries like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing are all integrating more technology into their operations, creating a steady demand for skilled developers. Emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and blockchain are creating new opportunities and niches. AI and machine learning are revolutionizing industries by enabling automation, predictive analytics, and more personalized user experiences. Meanwhile, blockchain technology is transforming how we handle transactions and data security. Learning to code can open doors to these exciting fields. For instance, proficiency in languages like Python and R is crucial for those looking to work in AI and data science. Similarly, understanding Solidity or JavaScript can be beneficial for those interested in blockchain development. By acquiring coding skills, you can position yourself at the forefront of technological innovation. Remote work has become a permanent fixture in the modern job landscape, especially following the global pandemic. Coding skills can provide the flexibility to work from anywhere, whether you're employed by a company or working as a freelancer. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal offer opportunities for developers to find work globally, allowing them to choose projects that match their skills and interests. Moreover, remote work can lead to a better work-life balance and reduce commuting time and costs. The ability to work remotely also broadens your job search beyond your immediate geographic area, giving you access to a wider range of opportunities. Coding isn't just for tech jobs. Understanding code can be a valuable asset in fields like marketing, design, and even entrepreneurship. For instance, marketers with coding skills can automate repetitive tasks, analyze large datasets more effectively, and create customized marketing campaigns. Designers who know how to code can bring their ideas to life with interactive and dynamic web designs. Entrepreneurs can benefit from coding knowledge by building prototypes of their ideas without relying on external developers, saving time and money in the early stages of their ventures. Additionally, coding fosters problem-solving skills and logical thinking, which are beneficial in any career. It encourages a mindset of breaking down complex problems into manageable parts and finding efficient solutions. In 2024, learning to code is more accessible than ever. There are countless resources available online, many of which are free or low cost. Platforms like Codecademy, Coursera, and Udemy offer structured courses that cater to beginners as well as advanced learners. Websites like freeCodeCamp and the Odin Project provide comprehensive curriculums at no cost, along with a supportive community of learners. Additionally, YouTube channels and coding blogs offer tutorials on a wide range of topics. Whether you prefer interactive courses, video tutorials, or reading documentation, you can find a learning method that suits your style. Many of these resources also include projects and exercises to help you apply what you've learned and build a portfolio of work. Now, let's talk about the different coding languages and their applications. Each language has its strengths and is suited for specific tasks. Python, Known for its simplicity and readability, Python is widely used in data science, machine learning, and web development. It's a great language for beginners and is also highly in demand in the job market. JavaScript. This language is essential for web development, enabling interactive and dynamic content on websites. JavaScript, along with HTML and CSS, forms the backbone of web development. Java. A versatile and powerful language, Java is commonly used in enterprise environments, Android app development, and large-scale systems. Swift. Developed by Apple, Swift is the go-to language for iOS and macOS app development. It's designed to be safe, fast, and expressive. C. Known for its performance and efficiency, C is often used in game development, system software, and applications requiring real-time processing. Understanding the different applications of these languages can help you choose the right one to learn based on your career goals and interests. Of course, learning to code isn't without its challenges. It requires time, dedication, and continuous learning to keep up with new technologies. The tech industry evolves rapidly, and staying current with the latest frameworks, libraries, and best practices can be demanding. Additionally, the initial learning curve can be steep, especially if you have no prior experience with programming. It's important to be patient and persistent. Start with small, manageable projects and gradually take on more complex tasks as your skills improve. Joining coding communities, participating in hackathons, and seeking mentorship can also provide valuable support and motivation. Despite these challenges, if you're willing to put in the effort, the rewards can be substantial. Coding can lead to a fulfilling and lucrative career, offering numerous opportunities for growth and innovation. So, is it worth learning to code in 2024? If you're interested in a dynamic career, enjoy problem solving, and want to be at the forefront of technological innovation, the answer is a resounding yes. The demand for coding skills continues to grow, and the versatility of coding knowledge can enhance your career in countless ways. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on learning to code. We'd love to hear your experiences and any questions you might have.